Question number 24. A nucleus of platinum undergoes alpha decay to form an osmium as represented. Okay. What are the number of protons and number of neutrons in the osmium nucleus? So very simple question. So what you do is first write down the equation. PT 78 175 gives rise to, okay, now what is it giving? Alpha particle. So write 2He4. Okay, reaction should be balanced. Put OS over here. Now 78 and this 2 here. So what should this be? 76. So that 76 plus 2 becomes 78. And here, so as 4, this should be 175. This should become 171 over here. So for this, we need to find number of protons and number of neutrons. Protons, what is the proton number? 76. 76. So therefore, this is gone, this is gone. Now you don't neutrons. So neutrons should be 171 minus 76. How much will be? 11 minus 6 is 5. Then this is 16 minus 7 is 9. The answer should be 95. 95. Where is 95 here? 95 is here. 95 is 76 and 95. Answer is D. Answer is D. Okay.